Assalamu alaikum everyone, we are French Code Consultants and we are back with another lecture of Learn Excel. In today's lecture, we're going to go with the editing options, sort and filter and find and select. Previously, we have discussed auto sum, fill and clear option. Now, I'm going to start with the sort and filter option. I'm going to select this data and I'm going to want to sort it. For example, sort Z to A from example descending order. It As you can see, nothing happens because already the data is in descending order. Now I want to sort it into A to Z. You see, I will show you about this box later on. Now I'll select sort. It will sort the product column. You see, they have selected A to Z. Now, let me show you go through again with the Z to A option. You see, it will sort the product column in Z to A option. You see, the serial numbers are also reverted. Now I'm going to go with the custom sort option. In custom sort option, now I'm going to go with this box. There are two options: expand the selection and continue with the current selection. In continue with the current selection, the cells you have selected, you can only sort those options but I want to teach you a lot more than that. So I'm going to go with the expand the selection option. Now I'm going to click the sort option. I would want to sort them A to Z. It will sort them A to Z. Now I want to, for example, there are more options here. I'm going to want to sort them according to the cell color. Now cell color for the cell is already colored here in the yellow color. If I select it, it will sort the chart into yellow color mark. You see, the colored is above and without color are downward in ascending order. Now I will show you the another option. If I select this expand the selection option and I will go to here the font color. Now I will select the font. I will sort according to the font color. Now I will select this column and I will show you the last option, which is conditional formatting icon. You see, it will sort the cells according to the conditional formatting icon. Since they are already sorted, so nothing happens. But if you have different conditional formatting icons here and apply conditional formatting applied here, it will sort the cells according to that. Now I will show you one more thing. For example, if you select this option, you will have many other options here. You can add another level. You can add it, for example, ASL values, largest to smallest. You can sort them that. You see, I'll click OK. So it will also, along with this cell, it will also sort A, largest to smallest. Since all of that data was selected, the alphabets came above. The formatting has been, shuffled, but as you can understand, the data is already sorted largest to smallest. Now, similarly, if you go to this option and you can add the level, you can delete the level. If you have made this level, you can copy the level. You see, there's so many options here. If you click the option, you can sort top to bottom and left to right. But this is more or less the sort option. Now I will show you the filter option. For example, if you select this data and if you select the header, the filter is mostly used for header. If you click the filter option, it will give you the filter option. Now if you see there is a icon here. If you click it, it will give you many options: sort A to Z, Z to A, sort by color, sort by font color, which I have shown you before. Now I will show you something new, which is, for example, if I just want to check the laptop data for all A, B, C, D, and E, I will just mark the laptop and click OK. Now only show me the laptop data. So this is the filter option. This is how you can filter the data accordingly. This can be used for many purposes. Now this is more or less done. This option clear is to clear the filter and to reapply the filter. You don't need to do that because I want the filter to be applied right now. Now I'm going to go with the find and select option. Now for find and select option, if you click find, for example, you want to find keyboard or mouse, for example, if you now found the mouse, it brought the cursor to the mouse. For example, you want to replace the mouse with a cat. Replace with a cat. You can replace it. For example, you can we want to find 500, and I will go to the 500, next 500. In 25, you see, there is a little bit of confusion here, because any data which has 500, for example, if it's 2500, 1500, I will select it. But specifically, this is a limitation for this option. That's why I want to tell you about it. Now, let me go with the 500 option. If I want to replace it with 100, and if I click replace all, we'll click all the options with 500 on it with 100. Now this is more or less the find and replace option. These options will show you within sheet or workbook. This is a roller workbook. Search by rows, look into formulas. You can search anything from that, but more or less this option contains majorly of finding and replacing them. Now I'm going to go with the further options, which is go to. If I click it, for example, if I want to go to I12, I will click it, I12, we go to the I12 cell. You see? So this is simple, the go to option. Now go to special, you can go to according to the comments. For example, you want to go to according to the comments, it will go to the comment option. You see? So you can go to any option according to your own need, blank, current region, current array, object, anything you have put into your data. Now I'm going to go with the other option, which is formulas. Now, as you can see, it's here, the formula here is applied. If I select this option, all the cells with the formula option will be highlighted. Now, if I want to know where the comments are, I will click this option. Sorry, the cells are already highlighted. If I click this option, it will go to the cell where the comment has been pasted. Now, if you want to go to the for example, the cells, you want to see the cells with the conditional formatting has been applied, just select this option, conditional formatting. It will go to the conditional formatting cell. Similarly, you can do this for constants, data validations. You can do this for selecting objects. For example, I will show you the objects. These are the objects: shapes, smart art, icons. You can select them. And for last is the select pane. It will go with the select object thingy. You can as written here, you can see a list of all your objects. This makes it easier to select objects, change their order, or change their visibility. So these are more or less sort and filter and find and select options. I hope that today's lecture is very fruitful for you. If you like our lecture, kindly like, subscribe, or share our page. Thank you so much.